These little guys are 1 week old now. They're so cute. They're getting much stronger now. So the little smallest one, the little runt one, which is so pretty, her eyes are open. This one just here, her eyes are open now. Like slightly open, they're not quite open, but it's amazing. Good girl, Angel. Good girl. Anyway, we can't believe that her eyes are open because that's so early. But they're getting open now. I think this one starting. That one's eyes are a little bit open. Hey, Angel. Good girl. Good mama. Good girl. Oh, this one's starting to have its eyes open a little bit too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Here, you want some? Aww. Yeah, those eyes are definitely starting to open a bit. The puppies have just had a feed. And little Angel, hey darling. So they're all sleepy now. Hello. Are you gonna show them your eyes? This little one, her eyes are open now. Oh, she's got them shut. But, oh no, maybe it's not her. Hello. This one. This one had its eyes open, almost open, like pretty open, but not now because she's asleep. But yeah, they're all zonked out on milk. They're so cute. So this one's a little boy. This is a little girl. These two blended ones, that's the ruby and the white. They're both boys. Then this little one here with a little head, this is a girl, she's got her eyes open. This one just here, this is another girl, and then this one and this one are boys. They're very